what's up, trains and car washes and quads and stuff. We're gonna do a car wash video here, and the car wash is right back up over there. We are here at the Shell gas station in Marysville, Washington, and we're gonna do the November 2025 retake of the retake of the Oasis Typhoon, and I'll see you in the next video. So, goodbye.